All right, now that you have some clips in place, now you can edit and fine-tune the clips down in your editor. The first thing you may want to do is rearrange the order of your clips. Maybe you imported them the wrong way. So I'm going to move this shot of the LGI. I'm going to hold my finger on it until I can detach it. And then once I can detach it, I can now move it wherever I want it. So I'll just drop it there in the front. So you can do that with both pictures and video. Now, when you're working with the video, if you tap on it once, you'll notice you get those yellow handles, and you'll also get a menu bar that shows up down here across the bottom. So with the yellow handles, I can now crop and trim that video clip. Notice how it's getting shorter. So that's a good way to cut parts of that video out. Down at the bottom, if I tap on video, this will allow me to add titles to the video. So I'll just show you what that looks like. I'm going to do middle. I'm going to tap here. I'm going to just type high school. Well, let's edit that first. So it is high school LGI. Hit done. So I added a title. If I hit that little back arrow in the bottom left-hand corner, from here I can also adjust the speed of the video. So I can make it go fast, or I can slow it down for that slow-mo effect. I'm going to hit the back arrow. If I am in the middle of the video clip, I can choose the option of split clip, which will actually break that in two. So if I need to cut a middle section out of the video, all I would have to do is tap, and I'd hit split here. And now this middle video piece here, if I wanted to remove it, I'd tap on it and select delete. Now I don't want to do that, I just want to show you that, so I'm going to hit undo. And it doesn't really matter if you see these lines here in the transitions that are straight up and down. That just means that you're not cutting any frames, so it doesn't need a transition. So if I hit playback, it'll be smooth. Now, another thing you can do when you tap on the video to edit it, I could also do a freeze frame here, which will actually freeze that video clip on that frame where it's at, so it'll look like you stopped to take a picture. I could also duplicate it, and if I don't like it anymore, I could tap on trash. Now with any of the video clips, you also have the ability to adjust your audio. So if I tap on audio, this now gives me the ability to completely mute the clip, or I could do what's called detach audio, so it removes the audio from here. And this way, if you want to move that audio to go with a different clip, you can. So if you have a video of somebody speaking and you just want to move their voice over top of, like a narration of a picture or a slide, you can detach that audio and just move the audio around. I'm going to tap the undo button there. Now when you get to pictures, you have some similar types of options. I'm just going to tap on the picture. Notice I have the handles here. Now this will change how many seconds that picture will be shown during the video. So notice as I'm dragging this to the left, it's increasing the time. So that's saying that that image will be there for 21 seconds. If I pull it back this way, I could trim it shorter than the default that it gets. I could also tap on title down here at the bottom, and just like it did with the video, I could add the opening, middle, or closing title overlay onto it.